In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Monopoly Go stickers. This will be a simple step-by-step guide so you can easily follow along. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to reach out to the person you're planning to sell your stickers to. A lot of the time, you might have already had a conversation with them, perhaps through Facebook or another social media platform. If that's the case, simply let them know that you would like to add them as a friend on Monopoly Go. This connection is crucial because it lays the groundwork for the next steps in the process. Once you've added them as a friend, your next step is to locate the album section. You'll find this menu towards the bottom of your screen. Within this section, proceed to open the specific album that holds the duplicate stickers you're looking to sell. This area acts as your marketplace, allowing you to see what you have available to sell. Now, it's very important to understand that you can't sell stickers if they aren't duplicates. To understand what qualifies as a duplicate, open an album and look closely at the stickers inside. You're looking for a small +1 icon positioned just below each sticker. This symbol indicates that you have more than one of that particular sticker, making it eligible for sale. If you don't see that little +1 sign, unfortunately, that means you can't sell that particular sticker. If you've identified a sticker with a +1, you're ready for the next step. Click on that sticker to open up its view. Once you're inside the sticker view, you'll see the option to Send to Friend. Clicking on this button will pave the way for your sale. It will bring up a list of your Facebook friends, which is why it was important to connect with them earlier. Locate the friend you're selling the sticker to and send it directly to them with just a click. And just like that, you've successfully completed the process of selling your sticker on Monopoly Go. It's that easy. Following these steps ensures a smooth transaction and helps you manage your sticker collection effectively. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot and helps me continue bringing you more valuable content. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. As always, thank you for watching and happy trading.